Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. It's me, your friend, your girl Doris. Today I'll be making a very special meal, which is so special to me because it's one of my mommy favorite meal, one of her favorite soup. And these are the ingredients we need for this soup. Some okra, yeah, I have banga, two seasoning cube, dry and blend pepper, some stuffed fish. I have one mackerel, some salt to taste. Here are the beef. I have some beef, some tripe, which is known as shaki, some cow foot. I have some beef. Oh, you can use any type of beef you want. You can this soup you can use just 2 or 3 type of protein you want. Just cook it to your choice. I know it may sound strange to some people, okra and banga. Yes guys, this soup, trust me, it tastes very nice. You just give it a try and let me know on the comment below. They say there is no harm in trying. I hope you guys will try this soup. It's so yummy, so good, so sweet this soup. So let's go cooking this beef. I just bring it out of my freezer. Is blocked, so I have to put it first. Oh, then all this, the fruits, the tripe, all of them. On the gas cooker. Then I'll be adding some salt. I just forgot guys. Now I'll be slicing a little onions to boil this meat. This is the onions chopped. I'll be adding to the pot to boil the meat. Also the 2 seasoning cube. This one is beef seasoning cube. Okay, just cover this to boil. I'll be checking on it for, I'll leave this to boil for 1 hour or more. I don't know yet, but just leave this to boil. Meanwhile, I'll be grating this okra. You can also use your food processor or you can use knife, manual, but don't let it be so smooth, just like the one you use in cooking ogbolo soup. No, I will show you the consistency we are looking for later. Then also I'll be diluting the banga with warm water. We'll be back guys. I almost forgot my stuffed fish, so I'll be adding it. If not, after washing it, I'll be adding it now. If not, it will not cook very well. So I'll add some water to cook this. I'll be covering this. Then now I'll be downloading my banga. Look at the okra, it's already cut. Well, no, cut no. I just use my blender. Lazy. If you are not the lazy type, you can use your grater or hand, just with knife. Look at it. To this consistency, look at it, not too, because this okra is going to serve as, no, it's not, it's vegetable. I'm going to use, instead of adding spinach or ugu leaf or whatever green leaf, I will not replace it with this because this also is vegetable. So let's go cooking guys. After 1 hour of boiling, I just remove the cow foot. I don't want it to be so soft. They have already downloaded the banga with some hot water, because sometimes the banga, they used to have black some black substance at the bottom. So doing it like this, all the black things, substance will be at the bottom of the banga. They have already cut the mackerel, washed, is there. This one will be for later use. At this stage, I'll be adding my banga to cook with the meat like this. I will see cook this for about, look at it guys, look at what I was saying. You see it? Look at what I was saying. Look at the black substance. Look at it. Look at all the black substance at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see very well. Look at it. Look at it. Exactly. Look at it. This is why I mix it with warm water. We'll leave this to cook. After adding the banga, this to cook maybe for another 20 to 30 minutes. We'll be back. Guys, look at our soup. After the banga have been cooking for 20 minutes with the meat, look at the oil I removed from the banga. Look at it. Look at this. Then at this stage, I'll be adding the dry pepper. I've tested it. We don't need more seasoning or salt. The one I use in cooking the meat is just too okay, perfect. At this time, look at the okra. I just added the okra. I think we need some water just for the okra to cook for 2 minutes so it will not be too thick. I'll add some water. I'll still add a little more. If not, after cooking, the soup will be too thick. At this stage, the mackerel, because it's fish, takes not less than 5 minutes to cook. Cook with the okra, 2 to 3 minutes. It's just okay. Then the cow foods, I'll be adding all of them now. All of them. Look at it. Let's look at it. The okra inside. It's not drawing. Got it. I think we still need some water. I'll be adding 1 cup of water more. Guys, look at my banga soup. I'm already off the gas cooker after exactly 2 hours. Look at it. So yummy. You can have this with any type of swallow. Okay. So thank you for staying with me. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Look at the final. Look at it. So yummy. So thank you all guys. See you next time. Bye bye.